In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Outlook emails as attachments in a new email. We'll be doing this directly from Outlook, and the process is simple once you know where to click. This is useful when you want to forward a message in its original file form instead of copying and pasting the contents into the body of an email. Sending an email as an attachment can help preserve the original formatting and make it easier for the recipient to review. To get started, open Outlook and go to your inbox. This is where you'll begin creating the new message that will contain the attached email. Once you're in the inbox, click on New. This opens the option to create something new in Outlook. From there, choose Mail so you can start a brand new email message. After you do that, a compose window will appear, and this is where you'll prepare the email that will include the attached message. Next, look for the Insert option in the compose window and click on it. The Insert menu gives you access to items you can add to your email, including files and other content. Since the goal here is to send an email as an attachment, this is the section you'll need. After that, click on Attach File. This tells Outlook that you want to include a file along with your message. When the attachment options appear, choose Browse this computer. This lets you search your device manually instead of selecting from recent files or cloud storage. Now, choose the email file from your computer. Navigate to the folder where that Outlook email has been saved, select it, and confirm your choice. Once selected, the email will be added to your new message as an attachment. At this point, you can finish composing your email as usual by adding the recipient, a subject line, and any message you want to include in the body. Before sending, it's always a good idea to quickly check that the attachment appears correctly so you know the right file is included. And that's it. That's how you send Outlook emails as attachments in a new email. If you follow these steps in order, you should be able to attach the saved email file quickly and share it in a clean, professional way.